Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to study biology like a pro step by step. Start by gathering all notes, lectures, and textbooks, then sort them by topic and date. Create a master outline with high-priority topics first. Use colored tabs or digital folders for quick access. Review that outline weekly and update it with questions or diagrams. This simple organization cuts wasted time and builds a reliable study habit. Use active techniques to make learning stick and to find gaps quickly. Turn notes into flashcards for terms, enzymes, and pathways, then review them in short-spaced sessions. Explain ideas aloud as if teaching someone else to reveal weak reasoning. Draw and label diagrams from memory, then compare to originals and correct errors. Finish each session with a few targeted practice questions to cement retrieval and build exam confidence. Build a review schedule that balances new learning and spaced repetition so topics stay fresh. Schedule short daily reviews for recently learned material and longer weekly sessions for older content. Pair practice problems with brief concept summaries to reinforce both recall and comprehension. Collaborate occasionally with peers to explain tricky ideas and to catch mistakes you might miss studying alone. Consistent review beats cramming and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.